Welcome to the July 2022 BARKBOX unboxing. And this is a very special month unboxing because we get to introduce Emma. And then of course we've got Dexter here. But we just rescued Emma yesterday. Emma is a 9.5-year-old. We are so excited to have her, and Dexter's going to show her how we unbox the BARKBOX, which is a monthly dog subscription box. And oh my gosh, the theme this month, pool party. Dexter goes right for one of the toys, and then Emma is interested. But so this is a, like I was saying, a monthly dog subscription box that is so adorable with the themes, and the toys are so cute and detailed. And Dexter loves the toys, and Emma has also been loving the BARKBOX toys. We have so many now. And so we've got the pool boy pouch. He's cute. And then the other toy is like a water gun. That is so cute. And then each month it also comes with 2 bags of treats, which actually now should be the perfect amount because Dexter usually went through like 1 bag of treats a month. But we've got some beef recipe jerky bars. Ooh, some chews, which comes with enough for both of them. And we've got, ooh, cheesy peasy soft bakes. These seem different and new. I'm excited for them to try these treats. And then at the bottom, you can see all of the different adorable toys that could have come in the box. But these are always some very quick unboxings, but I know that they're both going to love these things, and that Emma, I'm sure, is going to love BARKBOX as much as Dexter does. So thank you so much for watching our video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in my next video.